Hello and welcome to the Vintage Brickery. My name is Travis, and for today's build we're going to do a little bit of a departure from what we've been doing. Been doing a lot of the classic space stuff from the 70s and 80s, late 70s. Today is we're going to be doing the Ice Planet collection, and this is the set number 1704 Ice Planet Satellite Plow from 1994. 41 parts and one minifigure. This was actually one of the very first sets that I had discovered when I was image searching stuff like the front plate and the plow. This is the plow. And this is the Ice Chief. This is Ice Planet Chief here. And let's get his visor on correctly here. And I actually already had this one put together at one time. Well, actually, I had a lot of them put together at one time. But unbeknownst to myself at the time, because I wasn't looking at, I hadn't discovered Bricklink yet, so I was still just following what was being put on the instructions, because I found the instructions first. And then I come to find out that I had wrong colors and I had the wrong pieces, so I had to take them all apart, get the right pieces, make sure everything was correct. So we're finally getting him back together, and he's correct now. So all right, we'll send him right there. All right, get over to my instructions here. I don't have the instructions for this one, so I have to use I'm using letsbuilditagain.com. Shout out, very good website, no sponsor. All right, let's go here. Got the 2x2 bricks with the pin holes. This is the 2x2 brick with pin holes, or the other ones there's a pin hole, which is just on one side. Those are the pin holes. And then I got the Technic connectors, pin connectors, and the light gray. That's kind of what the discovered. That's one thing I discovered as I went along, is there's a difference between light gray and light blue gray. And so a lot of these I had were light blue gray, and so what I like to call a space gray, actually. Light gray, space gray. Alrighty. Put this guy together here, the old hinge piece there. I can see why they changed these, because they're not really. I kind of prefer these over the old one. I prefer the old stuff anyway. That's just me. I'm a vintage guy. Alrighty. And I already have the hinge plate on the back there. It goes here. Come on now. Get on there. There we go. Make sure I got it the right way. Yep. All right. No, I got it on the wrong way. Oh, got it on the wrong way already. That goes upside down. Goes like that. There we go. Whoops. That got upside down. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, got it in there. Finally got it in the right place. All right. Get the white tires on there. the parts list. I'm just looking to see something here. It's only have 4 sets. Very few sets. There's these little white tires on there. White wheels. All right, go back over here. I was thinking this is like the only set that these come on, but there's actually four sets. It's all from the Ice Planet. These are only come on the Ice Planet collection. So if you have any of these, you know it's from the Ice Planet collection. There you go. One of them. I believe I have two of the sets. Just the other one is the Ice Tunnelator. I'll be putting it together at some point. And then let's see. Yeah, okay, it's up here. Arrow to tell him. I don't know. For some reason, there's an arrow to tell him which way to go. I guess I'm not sure what that's about. It's upside down. There you go. Here's this. Little screens, little monitors of some sort. Alright. And it actually comes with a little, I don't know, I guess you could call it a sidekick, maybe. I don't know. It's not a robot, but it's like a little ski thing. Ski bot. Maybe I call it a ski bot. Ski bot. Alright, make sure I get this one on the right way this time. Alright. This guy on here, and then you can fit on the top of that, like so. Alright, and this goes on here. Kind of fits right there. There we go. The megaphone. Ice drill, or ice chainsaw, I guess you'd say. Ice chainsaw. Anyway, there you go, you deploy that. Small build. You know, they're small builds, they're still just so really interesting. I just think they're, like I said, I'm partial to vintage things. Alright, there we have it. Stick him on here with his little buddy. Awesome. Just an awesome build. Alright, I hope you did like this. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. hope you did enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Bye.